Hi, I'm James from irccenter.com, and just now getting back to my projects. I have a huge backlog, but I'm trying to work through them. And one of these projects was my Fusion 360 design and 3D print build of a 5-inch 38 deck gun. It's taken a lot of time. It's not exactly to scale, but it's close. I worked on the 5-inch 38 when I was in the Coast Guard. I was a gunner's mate, and I really loved and appreciated that piece of equipment on the ships. So I decided to go ahead and build one, and I'll be putting this out on Thingiverse and on my website, irccenter.com. So kind of go over some of the things that you need to kind of watch out for when you're printing this model. As you can see, I have the finished one right here. The rails, the forward tanks, the base, and also there's a, if you want to mount this on a model yourself, there's a mounting ring that's included, and you can just go ahead and set that on your model, and this will sit right on top of it. If you're very ingenious and creative, I'm sure you should be able to take this and make this a working movable remote control model. Now, as it's assembled, the gun actually goes up and down, and it will turn around on the base for your display. Now, or you can also the files are included for just a 3D print. If you just print the whole gun itself. Now, this one was printed on an Elegoo Mars Pro. And the thing about this, make sure you just can't print it flat. You're going to have to go ahead and work with the supports. I had to print it like this, at this angle, and this allowed everything, all the flat surfaces to be flat. On this prototype here, this one is 3D printed on a Elegoo Mars here, and make sure you got to put your drain holes and hollow it out. And I think you should have pretty good luck with that. As you get larger. If you're doing smaller prints like this for your guns or for whatever model you're working on, just go ahead and resize it down with your slicing software, and you shouldn't have a problem doing that. All in all, especially right here on the gun, if you do this on the resin printer, make sure you get all these hollowed out so the resin will drain out, and it cured correctly, and you should have a good time with this. But anyway, this is a good little project to work on, a couple nights a week for quite a few weeks. Finally got it printed, all the parts are available, and good luck. That's not good.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.